Hello there, hope you're doing well. So I'm going to give you the video demonstration of the system that we have created. So it's a typical e-commerce sales and order management that we have done in Monday.com. So first of all, we have the client directory, the client section. Then we have the orders section. So we have two types of orders, jewelry and diamonds. And underneath we have custom orders and HQ orders. So these are different categories that we have. And in diamonds, we have Bluestone certified. There are separate demand section that we are actually going to handle for the diamonds. And we have the shipping tracking that we have set up for all the orders that will go to the shipping. So we'll be integrating with our shipping company that will actually give us uh, the tracking information. And then we have the cost tracker. So all the orders that we are going to process here in the order section will actually eventually go into the cost tracker. So where we are actually going to check all the cost related to each and every orders and the sales price and the profit margin that we got from that particular order. This is our account section. So accounts payable will be dealt here, accounts receivable will be dealt here, and the dashboard. In the dashboard, we have sales metrics, orders metrics. So it's a typical e-commerce dashboard where you actually able to see all the sales, all the orders, like in different periods, like daily order sheet, weekly order sheet, and different other metrics as well, like profit margins. So all of the details will be here. Things will start from the client intake. So we are going to, so first of all, what we need to do is we need to put client. So we'll put a client name here, company address, and all the details related to the client. The email that we need to put here, because every time when we submit the custom order or any other order here, that will actually going to generate the order receipt and will send it to the email of that particular customer, which is already set up in our Integromate automation that you can see here. So it will actually watch the order, and then it will generate a document from Google document, download the document, then it will get the client information like email address, and then it will send the email to that particular client with that particular document, the order receipt that we created. And then we need to send another document uh, to our order processing team, who's going to process and complete this order. So this is a typical automation that we have created in Integromate, which is actually linking Monday.com, Google Document, and the Gmail, right? So, and all of these things like are very sophisticated and comprehensive in terms of our order management system. So once we get into here, we submit the client. You'll be able to see the client in the main table. I cannot show you there, but let's say we submit the client, and after submitting the client will be available here in the main table. Then we go into the uh, custom order. So let's say we receive a custom order, right? And in the custom order, we need to uh, put the custom order through this form. So what we need to do, put the customer name, or we can put the product name or whatever it is. We can put the contact. So all the contacts are here actually from the client directory. So they are actually, we can actually select them from here, right? So we just select them from here, and all the details about this particular order, the image and everything, because all these details will going to be inserted in our order, uh, in our order receipt that we are actually creating from the Google document through the Integromate here, right? After you submit this order, it goes into the main table where this is processed through different sections: order received, CAD underway, so CAD revision, product order placed, tone, settings, shipped, and all the details are here. And there are different columns that we have here for like shipping tracking. So all the shipping tracking will be tracked here. I cannot show you there the cost tracking. So everything is actually linked with the cost, with the shipping, uh, in all the sections. And we go into the shipping tracking. So we see all the orders are here, and when we put the tracking ID, then our after putting the tracking ID, then the integrations that we have here will actually going to update the information about about the tracking. Right? So latest update date, latest update, latest location, and the tracking status. So all the details will be fulfilled uh, automatically when we will put the tracking ID here. Then we have cost tracker to actually calculate the cost of each and every order here, as you can see, and all of these are actually going to be linked with our dashboards here. So in the dashboards, currently we don't have much data here because it's just a sandbox right now. So we'll be able to see the total sales today, total cost to date, not profit, total orders, total sales this week, all the profit margins and all the details in this dashboard. By the time when there will be the data, then when there will be activity in our order section and in our shipping and cost tracker section, then we're going to see a lot of information here in this dashboard. Similarly, we have the order dashboard as well. So these are tiny bit of the details that we have here. Uh, so this is our implementation. Hope you like it.